Now they tell me the surface area and I want to find the diameter. So one of the things that especially you're going to develop once you go into physics classes is, what formulas do I have? Do I have formulas with surface area? I only have one, so that makes it easy. I'll write that one out. As you get into physics, sometimes you're going to have like 3 or 4 different formulas, so you have to choose which one you want to use in different cases. We only have one formula for surface area of sphere. And I know that the surface area is 250. So if I put 250 in, the goal with formulas is to see if you can get a formula down to just one variable. Can you see the only thing we don't know in the formula right now is r? And as soon as there's only one thing in a formula that you don't know, you can solve for it. Now, finding r, which is the radius, isn't what the question asked for. But would that be helpful? Okay? That's one of the things you'll ask before you solve it. You have to ask yourself, would that be helpful? If I knew the radius, would that make my job easier to find the diameter? In this case, yes. So we're going to take the time to do it. If I want to get r by itself, right now it's multiplied by 4 pi. The opposite of multiplying by 4 pi? Divide by 4 pi. Here again, if you have a calculator that you have to, there's 2 things on the bottom of your fraction. That same thing that we noticed earlier. Or you can use your fraction button and figure this out. What's going to be left on this side is still an r with a 2, r squared. And 250 divided by 4 pi, 19.89. And that would keep going. That's r squared. How do I find r if I know r squared? Exactly. We're going to have to square root both sides, because the opposite of squaring something is square rooting. .46 approximately. So the diameter will be approximately double the radius, 8.92. It says to the nearest tenth of an inch, so I'll take off that, 8.9. And our units we always include in the end are inches.